Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Let's use the root test to determine whether the series converges or diverges. The root test requires that we look at the limit n goes to infinity, nth root, absolute value of an, where in our case, an is given by this formula over here. So I'll go ahead and use the following fact from algebra regarding the nth root. We could always rewrite this as x to the 1 over n. So I'll go ahead and do that over here in our formula. So I'll have arctan of n to the nth power. Also, we're dealing with absolute value here. So let me just put the absolute value inside. And this is all being raised to the 1 over n. And so we're dealing with the exponent in the following form. So we'll use another fact about exponents. When you raise an exponent to another, you just multiply those two exponents. So here we multiply b and the c, we just get 1. And then we just have the limit n approaches infinity, absolute value arctan. And if you could recall from the graph here, when you take the limit of the arctan, it approaches one of its asymptotes. So here's a rough sketch of the arctan graph. Oops. So you can see from the graph of arctan that as the limit goes to infinity, the y value approaches pi over 2. However, this number is larger than 1, and so by the root test, we conclude that the series diverges.